Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix of Ashen Steel not launching or crashing on your PC. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Open your library. Locate of Ashen Steel. Right-click it and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to repair your game files. Solution 2. Right-click of Ashen Steel again. Select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Browse Local Files. Open the of Ashen Steel game folder. Open Binaries. Open Win64. Right-click of Ashen Steel game Win64 shipping.exe. Select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab. Enable Run this program as administrator. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Press Apply, then OK. Now launch your game. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to update your graphics drivers. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app. Click on the Drivers tab. Select Check for Updates. Install any new driver available. Solution 5. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and look for x86. Click VC Redist x86 to download it. Now click VC Redist x64 to download it. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VC Redist x64. Accept the terms, press Yes, and wait for it to install. Press Close. Do not restart yet. Double-click VC Redist x86. Accept the terms and install it. Now restart your PC, and that's it. Your of Ashen Steel should now launch without crashing. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.